like those appealing and sweet purplish pieces of beets in your salad bowl? Yes. Not just for its looks and taste, but this taproot portion of Beta vulgaris is laden with an abundant amount of nutritional value and offers some incredible health benefits for your body. Blood pressure improves. Beets are rich in nitrates, which the body converts to nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes and dilates blood vessels, turning them into superhighways for your nutrient and oxygen-rich blood. That means better circulation and possibly lower blood pressure. Improve your stamina. When elite athletes pee in a cup for a drug test, the color might be crimson. Why? Because lots of athletes eat beets, and beets contain pigments that turn urine pink. Athletes also know that research has suggested that nitrates boost endurance performance. Your brain may work better. Nitric oxide relaxes and dilates your blood vessels, which in turn increases blood flow to the brain, resulting in better brain function. This is particularly important as we age, as research finds that our capacity to generate nitric oxide diminishes as we get older, along with our brain's energy metabolism and neuron activity, so give your mind a boost beets. Your liver will be lighter. Your liver does the heavy work of cleaning your blood and detoxing your body. You can lighten its load with a daily serving of beets. Research shows that betaine, an amino acid found in beets, as well as spinach and quinoa, can help prevent and reduce the accumulation of fat in the liver. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.